Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we will see this 3-in-1 peeler from Barcoz, and it is sold by Pan Emirates. Okay, so let's see review and unboxing. So in unboxing we are getting this peeler in this packet. Okay, so you can easily take it out. So this is peeler. It is having this rubbery surface, or you can say the rubbery body. The body is made of rubber, and it is 3-in-1 peeler. As you can see, we have one blade which is like this. Second blade is having some strips onto this, and third blade. So if you want to use it, you can just rotate it like this. So the third one blade is having this kind of structure, having these blades, and let's see how it will peel off. So let's use this first, which is having straight blades. So it's quite easy. It can peel this potato skin having this amount of thickness. Let's see if I want to use the second one. Let's say this one having blades in it. Let's see how it will peel off. Okay, so as you can see, it is peeling in some kind of strips. But it is peeling the surface quite nicely, and it is removing very less amount of surfaces from that potato, I think, what I can observe it. Okay, the third one is this one, which is having some edges with this longer blade. Let's see this. It's very difficult to use this. I think I have to make it up to here. Now I can use it. So it can take this outer cover of this potato very easily. So as you can see, there's one making this kind of surface, second one is taking these small strips, and the first one is giving us this large peel from this potato. So that's nice. You can just use it very easily and quite fast to peel the vegetables. Okay, so if you like this video, like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.